In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to buy an account from GoFunded Trader. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to GoFundedTrader.com. So essentially there's two ways to buy an account from GoFunded Trader that I will show you. First of all, you'll need to just go up to Funded Trader and go up to Get Funded right here, where you'll then be going down to choose your account. This is a specific account that you want to purchase an account before you actually sign up for an account. But if you want to sign up for an account to just see how the dashboard looks like, you'll just need to go up to the affiliates tab over here in the top hand corner and go down to sign up instead. Once from here, you'll need to enter in your full name, your email address, country, phone number, password, and confirm your password. From here, you can just click register now. And then from here, you'll get into this page right here. Now from here, you can go over to everything there is GoFunded Trader has to offer. But to create or buy a new account, you'll simply need to go over to the new challenge over here in the menu. And then a new page will pop up. Once you get inside of that page, it should look something like this, where you can also see the coupon code applied successfully, where you can see the product details. And you can click edit over here if you want to edit the specific details of the account or challenge that you want to purchase. From here, you can select the model, either Instant Gold, Instant Pro, 1-step, 2-step Standard, 2-step Pro, 2-step Gold, 3-step Gold Blitz, or Instant Blitz. From here, you'll also be able to select the account size from 5K to 200K account. You can also choose a platform, either MetaTrader 5, TradeLocker, MatchTrader, CTrader, or Vulnerability Trader. From here, you'll be able to see the price of the account, and you can go down here to select add-ons, either 100% splits, first payout on demand, or both down here. From here, you'll also be able to select the bundles account. If you want several accounts, you can click either one of these, where you can get up to 3 accounts inside of one account. From here, you'll just need to enter in your billing details, like email address, first name, last name, regions, company name, town, all of this like you usually would. From here, you can also enter a coupon code, and once you get down here, you'll be able to see your order, and you can pay whether using Visa, crypto, or any other normal payment method that other websites also support normally. From here, you'll just need to click I have agreed to the terms and conditions and click place order. Once you get inside of here, you'll just need to fill in your credit card details, and then you can purchase your account. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as strictly as possible. See ya!